it's me, Jesus Freak 1225. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the blind spot warning on your Volkswagen 2017 Passat. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so as you can see, this is like the dashboard here. I'm looking at the miles per hour, and I'm also looking at the little thing right there in the middle is the car's temperature. But for now, I'm going to be focusing on the middle screen here. So you can see the middle screen has the time, cars in park, today's temperature, the mileage, everything. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the steering wheel here, and you're going to press this button. Now you can see it changes to assistance. Tap this again, and then it goes to the navigation mode, and then the tap again. So this is where you can see all the assistance. So if you want the lane assistant to be on or off, you tap OK. If you want it to be on, you tap OK again, and there it is. Now you can use this up and down arrow here to navigate. If you want the rear traffic on or off, you press OK. And then you press the down button here and you go to blind spot. Now the blind spot is this little area. You can see the little, it's a car, like if a car is like near your blind spot, whether on your right here, and then you see that it's off, press OK again, and there it is. Now the front assist, press the down button here. The front assist is making sure that you are a fair distance enough from the car in front of you. So if you want that on and off, you press OK. And then if you want that on, you press OK again. So yeah, that is how you can activate your blind spot warning on your 2017 Volkswagen Passat. Now, if you guys have any other cars, I'm sorry, but this is only applicable to the Volkswagen 2017. Though it might work on the Volkswagen 2018 models, not too sure about that. But yeah, that is the tutorial of how to turn on the assistance for your Volkswagen 2017 Passat. If you guys have any questions about any other features of this car, just please drop them below in the comments and I will do my best to answer you. But have a great day, guys. Bye!